ACI 1948 here. Going to try restoring my trim on the 96 Dodge Ram. Going to be using the heat gun today. I kind of started this the other day just to see how it would hold up. And yeah, it's got more of a shine to it. So, put it on the high setting and go to town and see how this works. Okay, we went from that to that. Alright. Well, I'm just going to do the rest of this. Okay, here it is after a little bit of heat. And then I used some, I should have took a video before I used this, but Back to Black from Mother's. Definitely helped it out. There's a couple places here I got to hit with the heat gun again. Kind of made those stand out, so I got to go back over and fix a few places, but overall it looks better than what I started with. What I started with was about like that. Try some of that Mother's on there real quick to see if that just brings it back. I doubt it. It's kind of hard to argue with those results. Kind of went from that to that. Definitely cleaned it, shined it up a little bit. So yeah, hit those little pieces here with the heat gun again, and it should be looking pretty good. So heat gun trick definitely does its job, especially if you take more time on it and do a better job than I did. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Okay, and all I needed to use was a heat gun and that Mother's Back to Black, and that's what it looks like now. And even down low turned out pretty nice. So yeah, pretty happy with it. Looks a lot better than how it started, that's for sure. So yeah, I recommend that stuff. I wanted to try that white new, but this is what I grabbed instead, so. Alright. Gotta figure out that next. Out there I'm going to have to replace the grill. I tried the heat gun on it. It shrunk up flat for a little bit and it looked nice, and then it peeled back again, so I think I just need a new grill. The center members here, I tried the heat gun on it just a little bit, but it just wanted to melt them. I don't know if you can see where it kind of melted that one right there. So don't try a heat gun on that. Your probably best bet's to tape it all off and repaint it, which I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I'm thinking about buying another grill for it at some point, so I don't think it's really worth taping it off and painting it. But something I do have did look neat up in there. Well, if I put it on there straight, but I think that'd look pretty good on there. That's off of a 65 Dodge Power Wagon, but off one of the side emblems. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. There we go. That looks pretty good. I just used a couple zip ties to hold it in, nothing real fancy. I think that looks pretty good. Alright. Okay, here it is done on the back. We went from that to that. So, yeah, that stuff works pretty good. I didn't even use the heat gun on this back half. It was good enough to where it's going to make it look nice. Hey, ACI 1948 here, doing some work on the 96 Dodge Ram. I'm currently kind of sanding it down. I got some 800 grit. Been going around all the edges trying to break loose all the clear. And what I did, I was using the tip of this for just a little bit of scraping. I touched that and it just blew apart. So yeah, that's going to get sanded down and redone. I was wondering what was up with that. So now I know. Alright, I'm going to use some of that Rustolem gloss clear once we get to it. Universal clear, durable top coat. So it did pretty good down the side, so I'm hoping tailgate will turn out pretty good. It's half plastic, half metal, so makes it a little easier. I wish I had some pearl blue paint, but I don't. So it's just going to get a clear coat over it for the moment. Yeah, all that. I'll probably do this whole back section when I do it. Okay. Well, here's one coat. Turned out pretty nice, really, all things considered. Does a pretty good job. I'm pretty happy with it. Compared to what it was when I started, it looks a lot better. I need to find some paint, some blue paint. But for right now, yeah, she looks good. Okay, and there it is done. Turned out pretty nice. Definitely see yourself in it. It's better than what it was, that's for sure. Yeah, right there's where that spot was. Yeah, you can still kind of see where the clears, where the old clear was, but it looks better. See, and then here it was all, so you can see where it was and where the new clear is, but you step back, and it looks good. I still need to get up in here and do this. I have to fix this. I need to get some blue. The whole roof needs to be redone. It's got some rust starting there, so it's definitely needs a little bit of work here and there. This here's my biggest problem though. That hole there. There's a bunch of grass and stuff that's stuffed up in there. I don't know. Yeah, stuff like that just packed up in here, so I gotta get that taken care of. But yeah, overall this truck's coming along pretty nice. That's where that clear coat was I did the other day on it. Yeah. There's the grill, there's the bumper we did earlier. I'm just combining both videos into one because I didn't do much today. Here's the other side, still needs some blue paint. Gonna have to fix this next. But for the most part, she's coming along good. Yeah, all that's clear coat. I sprayed. I had a little bit of blue, so I put it in where the red was. So at least looks a little better. Need to hit the clear there where all that flaked off, but for another time. My main concern was getting this back looking better. And it does. Alright, well I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.